If you want to turn off Google Gemini on your Samsung phone, so in this video I will show you a few methods on how to do that. For the first method, just open Settings, then tap on Google, tap on All Services, and from here you will find the option of Search Assistant and Voice. Just tap on it, then tap on Gemini. Now from here just select Digital Assistant from Google. Now instead of Gemini, just select Google Assistant. Select Switch, and after you've done that, just go back to Search Assistant and Voice, and from here just go to Google Assistant. Tap on General, and from here just disable the toggle for Google Assistant. Then select Turn Off, and after you do that, you will turn off Google Gemini and Google Assistant on your Samsung phone. Now this was the first method. Another method is if you want to turn off Google Gemini from the power button completely and to replace it with the power menu. Now to do that, just go to Settings and tap on Advanced Features. Tap on Side button, then tap on Long Press. Now instead of Digital Assistant from Google, just select Power Off menu. And after you do that, you will turn off Google Gemini from your power button and you will replace it with the power menu. Just like that. And the third method is if you want to turn off Google Gemini from your home button. Now to turn off Google Gemini from your home button, just go to Settings, then tap on Display. Under the Display settings, you will find the option of Navigation bar. Just tap on it. Now from here, you might find an option called Assistant App or Circle to Search. Now just disable both of these options if you have either of them to turn off Google Gemini from your home button. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off Google Gemini completely on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.